Hello, everybody. So today we're going to be doing chromatography. We're going to be asking, do black markers actually have black dye? We have my helper mom, and behind the camera, we have my dad. And we're going to be finding out the truth if black markers are filled with black dye.
The plot thickens. Alright, let's read our instructions here. So, what's the first thing they want you to do?
They want me to draw a circle with this black marker in the middle
Of your filter paper. And look at about how big that circle is. Yeah, good. Alright,
Okay,
nice.
I've drawn our little circle.
Woohoo!
It may be a little great job.
It's like an eyeball.
Oh no, he has a black eye.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, so it looks like you put it in our little petri dish. So go ahead and put your filter paper in the petri dish. Alright, so next we're going to grab our NaHSO right here. So we're going to do it drop by drop until the whole thing is wet.
Okay.
And then we're going to put it on top of your black dot.
Okay.
Go ahead. Drop by drop.
Mom, can you help me check? It looks like it's all wet.
Okay.
Whoa, look, Mom!
Yeah.
That is so cool.
So it takes about 10 minutes.
You have no idea how cool this looks.
What colors are you seeing?
I'm seeing like a brownish, then like a purple, black, then a light blue, dark blue, kind of like sea
It's
green.
forced, but you know this is all that black dot, right?
Yes,
Like the
that's amazing though.
chemical is pushing it all out. Read that paragraph there. The black dot disappearing
Okay.
after 3.
Okay. The black dot disappears and becomes a series of brightly colored rings. How come? The liquid from our cotton cylinder spreads through the filter paper, taking the ink with it. In such circumstances, some compounds follow the flow of liquid more readily, while others cling to the paper more tightly. This way, the compounds that ultimately move faster can be separated from the ones that move more slowly. This method for separation of compounds is called chromatography, and it turns out that black marker was filled not with one black dye, but several colored dyes.
Wow, do you see the color?
Oops.
Wow, your black hole has gotten smaller too.
Yeah. And the march goes on. That is so cool, you guys. Should I squeeze that? I want to squeeze it.
Sure.
Okay.
That's good.
Oh, goodness.
Your black dot is completely gone now, though.
Oh, goodness.
I think. I can't see. Well, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So it's simple, but it's fun.
Really short, too, so we don't have
Well,
to
this one was short. Some of them take a long time. I really
Yeah.
want to do 10. I think that one will be a lot of fun.
These are the results we have gotten. So that's the end of our chromatography. We'll do more next time. I will see you later. Do